Have you ever retyped the same house rules into Claude code at the start of every session? Use PyTest. Add IDs to every parameterize. Tests live under tests, only for that context to vanish the moment the session closes. AutoHarness is a free, open source plugin that quietly turns those one-off corrections into skills on a disk. So the next session already knows the rules without you saying a word. Okay, so we're going to copy that there, the AutoHarness, and we're going to go in and have a bit of a look here. We're going to basically prompt us right there. We're going to copy and paste right there. Then we're going to go back, plug and install AutoHarness. Yep. We're going to plug it in right here. That's going to load. Let that do its thing. Reload plugins. Cool. All right. Let's paste that again. Skedaddling. Yes, that's good. Create a test. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's check this out to see if that's installed correctly. Cool. So we're just basically showing you how easy this is to virtually do. Really taking advantage of AutoHarness right here. Going back over to Claude here. We've got the AutoHarness, the intents, the skills. Just opening up the skill.md file here. Doing its file naming. Parameterize must carry IDs. Yes. Let's bring that. Cool. Okay. Very good. Let's open that up. Hit exit. We'll just type in Claude after that. Very nice. So easy. Adding those unit tests. PyTest repo conventions. Very good. Whirring away for 10 seconds. Getting those tokens done. Cool. So that's been created. The rate limit. The test rate limit, and the successfully loaded skill. That is done on the side test there. How easy is that? All right, yes. Let's run those tests. Good, we've got to do one more repo convention. Cool, very nice. It's rewriting a new test pricing. Cool, cool. Done, nice one, created. The test pricing's done, fantastic. Bang Claude in again after that. We want to add the unit tests now for SRC, for the rate limit. Yes, that's good. Skill successfully loaded. We are marinating now to keep pushing that through. Cool. Allow all. Let's get that updated. Very good. Yep. Cool. As we can see there. Yep. PyTest raises. Okay. If you're tired of retyping the same house rules at the start of every Claude session, install AutoHarness for free. It's open source, 2 commands, and the link is in the description.